In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a washed out HDR colors in Windows 11 and get your display looking vibrant again. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by incorrect HDR settings, display calibration problems, outdated drivers, or monitor configuration errors. So the first thing that you need to do is verify your display supports HDR. Make sure your monitor or TV actually supports HDR, and to check it, open Settings, select System, and then click Display, and then choose your HDR monitor. Scroll down and select HDR. Windows should display HDR supported as yes, streaming HDR video supported, and use HDR available. Now, if HDR isn't supported, enabling HDR may create poor color reproduction rather than improving image quality. And then the next thing that you can look into is adjusting the SDR content brightness. One of the most common causes of washed out colors in the SDR brightness is about balance. So I want you to go to the settings, select System, click Display, and open the HDR. Look for the SDR content brightness. Now move the slider gradually until white looks natural, black appears deeper, desktop colors no longer look faded. And for most monitors, settings between 30% and 60% provide the best balance. And then you should try to calibrate the HDR using Windows HDR Calibration. Let me tell you this, Microsoft provides a free calibration tool specifically designed for HDR displays. Now to use it, open Microsoft Store, search for Windows HDR Calibration, install the application, launch the tool, and follow the on-screen calibration process. The wizard helps optimize peak brightness, dark detail visibility, color saturation, HDR tone mapping, and after calibration, many users notice significantly better color accuracy. And of course, remember to always update your graphics driver. HDR problems are often caused by outdated GPU drivers. For NVIDIA users, go to NVIDIA app or GeForce Experience, check for any driver updates. All I have to do is simple, install the latest game-ready driver, restart your computer. You can also do that for AMD. Now go to AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, install the newest drivers, as well as for Intel users. Open the Intel Graphics Command Center, update the graphics drivers, restart your computer because new driver versions frequently include HDR fixes and color improvements. Now, you should use the correct HDMI or display port cable. Many HDR monitors have multiple HDR modes. Using your monitor's OSD menu, look for options such as HDR Standard, HDR Cinema, HDR Gaming, HDR Dynamic, and HDR Display. You need to test each mode individually. Most of the time, the HDR profile produces inaccurate colors while another preset provides a much better image. And then last is going to be checking the refresh rate settings. Some displays reduce HDR quality at certain refresh rates. Now to test it, open Settings, go to System, select Display, and then click Advanced Display. I want you to lower the refresh rate temporarily. For example, if you are using a 240 Hz, you might want to degrade it to 144 Hz. If you're using a 165, you might want to turn it down to 120. If HDR improves, bandwidth limitations may be affecting image qualities. Follow these steps carefully and your HDR display should look significantly more vibrant, colorful, and accurate in Windows 11. If you found it helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you again in the next video.